Hi friends, this is Rashekar, a GATE faculty for electrical machines. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about just a brief introduction of three-phase transformer connections. Three-phase transformer connections. Actually, three-phase transformer connections are, one is delta-delta connection, and other one is star-star connection, and other one is delta-star connection, and other one is star-delta connection. Star-delta connection. These are in general connections, we know that. Apart from this, we have a open delta connection. This is called open delta connection. Open delta connection. And star zigzag star connection. Star zigzag star connection. And delta zigzag star connection. Delta zigzag star connection. And Scott connection. Scott connection. Of course, we have a TT connection also. These are the different three-phase transformer connections. Is delta delta, star star, delta star, star delta, and delta is opened, nothing but open delta connection, and star zigzag star connection, delta zigzag star connection, Scott connection, TT connection. Once observe here, we have a zigzag connections for these two only. There is no zigzag connections for these two, because here we have a delta. In delta we have a closed path for third harmonics, then mostly EMF is sinusoidal. But in star we don't have a closed path for third harmonics. Hence there is no sinusoidal EMF maybe. That's why this is zigzag connection, modified connections for these. This is simply the different three-phase transformer connections. We have to discuss each and every one connection. Each and every one connection of these three-phase transformer connections. This is also very important for competitive exams as well as for GATE. Okay? Right? Okay, sir.